Hey YouTube, Chris back with part 3 of my little 2-pill build here. Show a little bit before part 4 I'll be finished with it and hook it up and try it. But just want to come back with part 3. Got quite a bit more done since I showed y'all last time. Last time I was on the switch over there. I finished that and got that done. Actually tested it too. I've done the variable since then. I hooked the one resistor up. It goes from the one terminal down to the chassis. And I did my RG316 cable. Did that. I've got one more resistor I'm waiting for. It's going to go from that terminal to the input of the amp. So I'm waiting on that resistor. But I did my RG316 cable, and I've done my relay since then. I think I had all that in the center done the last time I showed y'all. But I got my relay done back there. That was a little bit of work. I studied online by the builders and did research on it and figured out how my receive circuit works there. Comes in, goes there, across the jumper bar over, and goes that way to your radio, your receive. And then the power from the switch over there, input of the amp, output of the amp. Took me a little bit to learn how the double pole, double throw relay works. When it's at rest, it's on those two terminals. You trigger it with your keying circuit, which now I got over here, I got to build that. And it switches it from those two sets of terminals to these two sets of terminals. It took a little bit of time learning how to do that relay, how to solder on those little tiny terminals and get it good, where it didn't melt them too bad, not too hot, but soldered good. And now I'm going to be working on the keying circuit. It's going to go from that terminal on the relay to the SO239 and down to the board. I'm getting all my components together over here for it, studying, trying to figure out what value I need for everything. The glass diode, the electrolytic capacitor, the silver mica dip, and the little transistor. So I'm studying that. That's going to be my next thing to do, is to do that and get all that in there. That one resistor on that variable, and then my power pad over here. Bring the 8-gauge in, hook it down with that, and then bring my ground in and go down to the chassis over there. And then she'll be ready to try. But anyway, I just wanted to bring part 3 of it in, show you what I've gotten done so far. I think I did pretty good on the relay. Took my time, researched it. Yep. We'll see what happens. Next video I come back with, I'll be testing it and trying it out. Anyway, thank y'all, YouTube.